Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a heat map in TradingView. This powerful tool provides a quick, visual overview of market performance, using a color-coded system to display price movements across various assets. To begin, simply log into your TradingView account. Once logged in, you will navigate to the Products section, usually found at the top of the page, to find the heat map options easily. After clicking on Products, you will see a drop-down menu. From there, select Screeners, which will then present you with several heat map options. You can choose a heat map specifically for stocks, exchange-traded funds, or cryptocurrencies, depending on your interest. Once you make your selection, the heat map will load, displaying a grid of assets, each represented by a colored block for easy analysis. The core of the heat map lies in its intuitive color coding. Generally, shades of green represent positive price changes or growth, while shades of red indicate negative movements or losses. The intensity of these colors is crucial. Brighter greens signify stronger gains, and deeper reds highlight more significant losses. This visual cue allows you to quickly identify market sentiment and performance at a glance. TradingView heat maps are highly customizable to suit your analytical needs. You can apply filters to focus on specific sectors, market capitalization ranges, or even particular exchanges. Furthermore, you can adjust the displayed metric, such as price change percentage, trading volume, or price-to-earnings ratio. This flexibility helps you pinpoint opportunities and make more informed trading decisions based on your strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.